guys, I'm Nadine, the founder of Throdle, and today I'm here with Dylan Hughes.
Hello.
So Dylan, we know that a lot of your background, you are doing rally on your off season, you're doing dirt bike racing. How do those skills help you be a better drifter?
You know, I think that anything that involves balance and coordination, I think that like BMX or skateboarding or snowboarding or anything where you have to use your balance and your equilibrium and basically train your eyes to have target fixation or not at some times, right? All makes a really big difference. If you have a different skill that's much, much cheaper to do, like snowboarding, skateboarding, BMX, dirt bikes, any of these things, I found that most people who started off doing something like that hop into a drift car and pick it up much, much faster. So like I said, anything that has to do with balance and equilibrium and kind of knowing where your body's at all times, that definitely helps with the drifting stuff.
Well, absolutely, especially when you're doing these things in the air, like I saw you do the other day.
Yeah.
Where's the best place to practice for those kind of things?
A lot of places have dirt bike tracks you can go ride at, or there's several different rally schools across the country that you can go and pay to learn how to drive a rally car. There's even several drift schools now. And then of course, if you want to go like cheap, you can go like BMX or skateboarding, where you can pretty much go anywhere and even on flat ground and learn how to do these tricks.
Well, we're gonna keep watching you do wheelies around here because that's awesome. But you guys, you heard it from him. And Dylan, if anyone wants to find out more about you, where can they go?
Just any one of the major social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Throdle, any one of those, you could check us out on there.
Thanks for watching, and make sure that you smash the like and the follow button and keep on watching at Throdle's Fueling Connections and Driving Experiences.